After all the necessary components are installed, we can get started with configuring the server. First of all, we have to create a new database and a user account using the MySQL command line client. So let's start with opening the MySQL command line client from the start menu, and here we have to enter our root password that we have created in the previous step. Alright, we'll simply copy the commands from the instructions, but you can either enter them manually or just copy them just like we do. So now we're creating a database, alright? And we're also creating a user identified by user password. Just copy and paste. We will set up a simple password, my password, for demonstration purposes, but of course you can make it as complex as you wish. Alright. Now we can grant database rights to our user with the command /privileges. Alright, so now we have an empty database called DB, a new user, and they're connected to each other, and our user has access to our database. So we can finally move on with the HES server and its configuration.